let me show you how to quickly scribe wood flooring to a wall. As you can see here, this last piece of wood flooring will not fit, so I need to scribe it to the wall. So get that plank that we want to be installing and line it up in the place where you're going to install it. Make sure it's all lined up nicely. Then get another piece of flooring. Now place it on top of the plank that we've just positioned and against the wall, and draw a line on the outer edge like this, all the way down the wall. Then this line here, as we can see, needs to be cut out. You can do it with a handsaw, a jigsaw, anything that you have. Now, as we can see, once we've cut it, it'll fit perfectly against the wall. So that's how to scribe wood flooring to a wall.